it's Shannea and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a what's in my makeup bag video. So I've never done one of these, but I don't know why, because I've always kind of had a makeup bag. All my makeup that I use on the daily kind of just stays in here. Like if I'm going to a friend's house and spending the night, this is what I bring, and this is the makeup that I put on the next day when I'm like leaving or whatever I'm doing. So I'm going to show you guys what's in here, because this changes all the time, and I don't know, it's kind of cool to look back at and see what you used to wear back in the good old days, you know. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. By the way, this bag is actually from a mono box that I unboxed here on this channel like back in the summer. So if you want to see that video, you can check it out. We're almost there. This is so much effort. It's open! Oh my gosh, so there are so many goodies up in this bag that I'm so excited to share with y'all. So the first thing that I see right off the top is my beauty blender. You know, gotta have that. The next thing that I see is my e.l.f. liquid highlighter. Like if you are going out on town on a Friday night and you're trying to look fire with your highlighter, you're like trying to blind the haters, this is what you're going to put on. Go get you this highlighter because it's actually kind of awesome. The next thing that I'm seeing is my e.l.f. translucent powder. I love translucent powders because you can kind of just put them over any foundation really, and it mattifies the whole thing, and it's so magical. The next thing that I'm seeing is my Mary Kay blush. This is pretty much the only blush that I use. I really should try to find another one that I like, but for right now, this is all that I use. The next thing that I'm seeing is my CoverGirl BB cream. I actually hate this stuff. It burns, but I'm going to use it because I paid money for it, so yeah, there's that. Okay, so the next things that I'm seeing in my bag are my two foundations. I have two because this one, the capital N temperature sign 7 Stay Perfect Foundation, all skin types, coverage medium, non-stop complexion, perfect all day wear, sunscreen, broad spectrum, SPF, hypoallergenic. This one is what I use when I want full coverage and I just want to feel balm. This is what I use. This one is what I use when I'm like wanting to look better than like I just rolled out of bed, but not wanting to look flawless. You know what I mean? So I need two, you know, you gotta have them both. Oh, and this one is the Maybelline Dream Cushion. So the next thing that I'm seeing is my Ulta Beauty finishing powder. I use this one when I want to look a little bit more tan because it is tinted, so it doesn't give me too much color, but it gives me enough color that I don't feel so pale. So I don't know why I just swatched that. Whatever. Yes. Oh, and this is in the shade light to medium. Light to medium. The next thing that I pulled out is my e.l.f. makeup setting spray. Honestly, is this necessary? Like, is this really necessary? I think this is a little extra, honestly. I only bought it because all kinds of people use setting sprays and they're like, oh, it's so refreshing, and you know, but is this not just a little extra? Like, do you really need this? Do you really need this? The next thing that I'm coming across is my Tarte Shape Tape foundation, and this is some full coverage of concealer, okay? It's some full coverage. I really like this when I have lots of little ugly demons on my face. This is good. Talking about concealers, this is an e.l.f. concealer, and it's good if you just want to like color your whole face and then blend it in. You know, if you're just feeling extra ugly, this is real good because it's only like $3 and you can afford to use it all over your face, you know? The next thing is this Wet n Wild eyeshadow trio. I honestly have to have the kind that's like this because it tells you like crease, lid, brow bone, and I'm terrible at makeup. I mean, secret's out. I'm really not that good. I try to be, and I try to act like I know what I'm talking about, but let's be real, I don't. So I use this most of the time because I don't know how to use other palettes and mix colors and make it look good. It's just, I'm not good at it, okay? I'm not. Okay, so next up I have these 3 mascaras. This one has the teeny weeniest little brush ever, and I love it for my bottom lashes because if I try to use like big things on my bottom lashes, sometimes they're just, it gets everywhere. They're like really long, so it's not cute. But sometimes I really do want that big, bold look, and I want to feel like a supermodel, like hair blowing in the wind, like hair flip, you know, like that kind of stuff. So I got this Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara, and it is bomb. You need to buy this. I kid you not. This will save your life. You need to buy this mascara. It is so good. Today, don't my eyelashes look flawless? I know they do. You need to buy this. It is great. Okay? And then for days when I'm trying to like have a no makeup look, and I want like, I just want some color on my eyes because I don't really wear eyeliner a lot, and I just want my lashes to be a little darker and like look a little fuller but not have like a lot of mascara like today, like whoa, you know. I use this one, and it's an Ulta Plush Drama Volumizing Mascara, and it's got, you know, the big fat wand on it. Love it, love it, love it. I love all mascaras that are like this, but this one is fabulous. You need this in your life. Okay, and then I have 2 face brushes. This one goes all over my face. This one goes for my blushy blush. I just have a whole bunch of eyeshadow brushes. This one is for blending. This one is for my lid. This one is for under my eye. And this one is for my brow bone. And they're just random cosmetic brushes. Then I have an EOS because, yeah. And the very last thing that I have in here is a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. And then I have another lipstick that looks almost exactly like it. It's just not liquid. So if I want like a like, you know, that color but in not matte form, then I use this one. And then if I want to feel my absolute best, I wear this Revlon one that I've absolutely almost completely used up. I have no clue what the name of it is because I took the sticker off the bottom, and I suck because this is my favorite one and I don't know the name of it. So if you know the name of this, please let me know because I really love it a lot. And those are my 3 lipstick choices that I keep in my makeup bag. Well, that is it for everything that I keep in my makeup bag. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for sitting here and listening to me for however long it has been. It actually means the world to me. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe because I love new friends. And please leave me a comment down below letting me know what your absolute favorite makeup product is. Mine is by far mascara. I could not live without it. It's like I need that in my life. That is all that I have for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.